Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine, right? So during our last two sessions, we went through how you can start selling on Ecwid, right? So now we are going to explain you the dashboard, right? The entire dashboard. So we'll be learning step by step. So no need to get rush, right? So no depression, no stress, nothing. We'll be learning from the basic, right? So today we are going to learn these categories, right? So the main titles like store management, what is under store management, and sales channels. As I said you in the last video, we are going to learn all this stuff, right? So at first in store management you can see the dashboard, right? So this is the dashboard you will be getting, right? So there is nothing to do with here, and as you see here we are the address, right? The website name and the address we have got here. So if you click this, you will be redirected to the website, right? So you can see the demo site, right? For everyone, once they get started, which means sign up, you will be getting such a website. So there is nothing to do with this because these are all sample products. So we'll be explaining you, right? So no worries guys, from the basic, right? We will be explaining you how to create products, how to use Canva and design the products, right? So that is why we are special, right? No one is going to tell you about these stuffs, right? Now in sales you can see the orders, the abandoned carts, customers, and order editors. So since this is a new new store we created, you cannot see all those stuffs. So in real world I am going to show you, right? So I am going to show you how these orders and abandoned carts, these features will be looks like, right? So I am going to use one of our store to explain that. So guys, you can see here this is one of our store, okay? And you can see if we go to sales, right, in orders you can see the number of orders we have got. So now you can see how much you can easily earn using this, right? So many people, they think that only Shopify is the way and there is no alternative. No guys, this is something real, okay? So you can see how many people they paid $250. This is 60, 250, 250, right? So all this happened. We got 3 orders in February. So this is also one of our new store, like only 2 months old, right? Yeah, just 2 months old. So you can see in real world, okay? And abandoned carts, which means still it's not upgraded, right? If you upgraded for the business plan, which means we this store is only subscribed for the venture plan, right? If you are subscribed for the business plan, you can get this feature, right? So no need to worry about this because this is not necessary, right? So the third one is the customers, right? So in here you can see all your customers and their email. Guys, don't think that this is not necessary, because this is very important. Just think that you got 100 orders or 1000 orders, now you have 1000 emails, right? So again you can use that and do email campaigns on different products on how your customers are interested. So Ecwid, they have an inbuilt email marketing system, so that is also one of the very big opportunity. So you have to think about that also, right? So we'll be explaining you step by step. Next one is the order editor. So this is also we think you can use it, but no need to use this because it is also one of the what is enabled for the pro feature, which means the business plan, okay? So this is not necessary, okay guys? Now that is one of the example, right? Okay, now again if we go to overview, right, under sales channel, under overview you can see such a dashboard, right? Such a page, sell everywhere, right? So Ecwid mobile for iOS, sell offline with POS systems, and here you can start a Facebook shop, an Instagram shop, Facebook Messenger, right? So in our next videos we will be explaining you, right, on how to set up a Facebook shop using Ecwid and Instagram in Messenger. If someone directly messages you, you're only sending the link, right, so they can directly make the payment. So this is an inbuilt system, right, in Google, even in Google Shopping, TikTok, Amazon, eBay, and also other website platforms. Or you can even create your own site, right, which means other than this you can list in other sites too. So in Shopify we think these features are not enabled, right. So second one is, sorry, the website, right. So if we go to the website, so you can see here, right, so the site appearance, the site content, the site address, which means you can change the address. So meta tags and site verification, no need to I'll be explaining you this later, because this meta tags and site maps, and also this allow search engines to index. These three things will help you to rank in Google, right, for search engine optimization. And also guys, the third one is the design, right, which means the same site, if you click here, the site appearance, right, so you can edit the site. So we'll be talking about this in another separate video, right. So you can see here, you can edit everything starting from the header to footer. You can edit everything and change the font, change the themes and everything, right. Okay, next one is the domain, right. So the domain is here, which means you have the free plan, right. So you can change the address if you need, right. So here game store for you, we can use another separate name. First you have to type here and see whether it is available, right. So the next one is SEO, right. So SEO is also at the in the same page, right. If you upgrade, you can see all these stuffs, right. We'll see how it is enabled in our this platform, right. So if you click website, where is it, customers overview and the website, right. So you can see here, right, store extensions, browser, design, right. So don't worry about that guys, because the important thing is we have used our own domain, so it is already optimized, right. So it will be ranking in Google, right. So no need to worry about that, we'll be talking about that in another video. So the next thing is SEO and Facebook, Instagram, which means other platform where you can add your store, and configuration, which means the designing, right. So the designing purpose, you can change the pictures into large, medium or small, right. So the ratio, we can even change that, right. Dark image backgrounds, right. So there are several options, which is very convenient and which is very user friendly, right. So the next important thing is the payment method, right. So you can see here, you can set up Stripe. But guys, the important thing is, guys, in Shopify you can't do all this stuff, right, without upgrading. They will give only 14 days, but in Ecwid, from the starting you can get payments, right. So you can connect your Stripe or Squarespace or even PayPal account, right. Even you can enable PayPal, right. So I'm enabling PayPal, right. So here I will be off, getting this off, right. So now you can, when people they pay, you can directly pay with PayPal, right. So don't use it for other like scamming people, right. So You have to be very careful when you are using this, right? If not, you will be totally banned from here.